Hello everyone. The next module we will discuss today is the Work Order Planner module, which is part of our MRO360 product. So, why did we build this work order planner? Let's imagine you are part of a maintenance team and on a daily basis you handle 50 or even 100 work orders or maintenance orders. Now, if we look at a timeline of 30 or 60 days, you could be dealing with thousands of maintenance orders. It becomes virtually impossible to keep track of every spare part needed for each of these maintenance orders. That is why we developed this work order planner as a proactive warning system for the maintenance team. It lets the team know which maintenance orders need their immediate attention and what is the last date to procure a spare part before it becomes an issue. Let's see how it works. In practice, a user simply goes here and first selects the plant for which they want to view the maintenance orders. Once the plant is selected, they can set the priority or risk levels and then choose the date range for which they want to see the risk maintenance orders. Let's say we proceed with this date range. Once the date range is selected, the user simply goes here and clicks on Run Analysis. Now the system starts running and processing all the maintenance orders in the background. It looks at the demand forecast we have already calculated, considers the upcoming purchase orders for that specific plant, and effectively determines which spare parts and which maintenance orders need immediate attention. It also determines what the reorder quantity and reorder date should be to fulfill the requirement for that specific spare part. Let's wait a moment while the process completes. Oh, it's already done. As we can see here, all the maintenance orders in the pipeline are displayed, and the number of materials required for each maintenance order is also listed. If we want to see more details, we can simply click here to view the AI reasoning or AI summary explaining why it decided on this particular reorder quantity and reorder date. If we want to see the stock profile of that specific spare part, we can click here and view the stock profile, where all incoming purchase orders and maintenance orders will determine the complete stock profile. If they want to have a timeline view for that particular spare part, it will also be displayed here. So that's how our planner system works. Now you already know which maintenance orders are at risk. If you want to take some action, that's where our system helps. Our system will provide you recommendations for AI-driven actions that you can take right now to resolve the issue. Let's look at some of these actions. The first action our system suggests is to place a purchase order. The system will provide a pre-filled purchase requisition for you to send to the ERP system so that it can be approved. A purchase order will then be automatically created to fulfill the requirement for this specific spare part. In addition, we also offer other actions, such as the opportunity for interplant transfer, the option to expedite a particular purchase order, or the ability to look for other vendors. This way, we address two key requirements. First, we show you which maintenance orders need your immediate attention, what material is required, and the required date. What material is required and the required date. Second, we provide recommendations to help you procure that spare part on time. Thank you.